Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our candle installation in our bedroom. I've had a lot of inquiries on Instagram about where did I get it, how did I construct it, so follow me. I got these pieces all separately. The concrete cylinders came from an old abandoned construction site. They had left them there basically before they demolished the entire place. So Tyler and I grabbed a few. We weren't quite sure what we wanted to do with them. I started researching what people do with these type of cylinders, and I saw a really cool candle setup. I believe it was on Restoration Hardware. The cylinders were actually charcoal gray and it was gas powered, and they also were made to go around a pool or a patio outside, but they looked super cool. They had a glass hurricane on the top, so that kind of helped guide this whole idea of where we went with it. Obviously ours is inside, it's not outside. I looked up, most importantly, I measured each cylinder, the circumference and the height, and then I looked up hurricanes to go specifically with the cylinder. We opted for ones that come off. As you can see, there's no bottom, but we liked that idea mainly because things like this will happen. As the candle gets closer to the bottom, it'll drip down, it'll give it more character. Both of us are all about things being slightly imperfect, so that's why we went with that. You can obviously choose to do a hurricane that does have a bottom, that is an option. We went with black candles because, as I've told you in my 2 previous YouTube videos, black is a dominant color in our house. It is definitely not an accent color. Our rugs are black, our comforter is black. Basically, we have lots of black. So that's why we have black candles in here, and they stand out very beautifully at night when this is lit. It really sets the mood for the evening, and outside our window we have a beautiful view of downtown Dallas. So basically it just kind of helps us wind down, get us in a little bit more zen place. The candles that I got, they burn, I believe, for 60 hours. So it's not like I have to get candles every week, which is nice. And we probably light them maybe once or twice a week. So I would say that one specific set of candles will probably last you 3 to 4 months, depending on how often you light them. But it was a super simple setup. I'm gonna show you. Like, here's the hurricane, here's the candle, and here is the concrete cylinder. So you can see. And then we just put it like so. Candle here, hurricane over it, and voila. Later, we acquired these beautiful prayer beads that we got from CB2. We didn't quite know what we wanted to do with them. I know a lot of people put them in bowls, some people put them on the wall. This was something that I think Tyler and I were playing around with them, just like laying down on this marble countertop, and then all of a sudden they ended up intertwined in between the candle installation, and here we are. We decided to put this vase here instead of having another cylinder because we don't like everything so matchy-matchy and perfect. It adds a point of interest. Tyler got this vase for me, I believe it was 2 Valentines ago. Also, something that we really love are our weekly arrangements. It's a fun thing I do. Just get a bunch of random flowers and try to mix them together. As you can see in this one, we have a little bit of baby's breath, miniature daisies, a little bit of chamomile, and one single hydrangea. It really adds some beauty to the whole element. We really enjoy it. If you have an interest of making a candle installation of your own, I have links below to items that they're not going to be exact, but they're similar enough. And like I said before, you can kind of play with it, put your own spin on it, and I'll have links to a certain type of prayer bead. It will not be the specific one either. Same with the base. I think now that I'm thinking about it, I want to do a fun tutorial on how I kind of mix flowers together each week. If you are on a budget, or even if you're not on a budget and you enjoy doing something like that, it's a fun little activity. It really livens up your house. I know Tyler enjoys it. I know I couldn't live without it. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. If you enjoyed that video, please share, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.